In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a OneDrive account on mobile. We'll walk through the sign-up flow on your phone so you can start storing and syncing files in the cloud. Make sure you have a stable connection and a couple of minutes. I'll share quick tips to keep things smooth. Open the OneDrive app on your phone. On the welcome screen, find Create New Account or Sign Up and tap it. If you don't see it right away, scroll or look near the bottom. The screens may look slightly different on Android and iOS, but the steps are the same. This opens the account form where you'll enter the details Microsoft needs to set up your profile. Enter your email address. Use one you can access now for security notices and recovery. Double check for typos before continuing. Even a single wrong character can cause issues. If your keyboard autofills an old or shared address, clear it and type your personal email. Create a password that's strong and unique, at least 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't reuse a password from another site. If available, let your password manager generate and save one. Avoid common phrases or personal details like birthdays or pet names. Keep it private and avoid storing it in places others might see. Choose your country or region from the list. Select where you actually live since it can affect services and terms. Then enter your birth date following the on-screen format. Make sure the year reflects your real age, because age requirements may apply to create an account. Tap Next to continue. Enter your first and last name exactly as you want them to appear in OneDrive and across Microsoft services. This helps with sharing and collaboration. Tap Next again. You'll see a CAPTCHA challenge. Carefully enter the characters shown to confirm you're not a robot. Enter characters exactly as shown, including case and spacing if requested by the prompt. If it's hard to read, use the refresh or audio option and try again. After the CAPTCHA is accepted, the app finishes setup and signs you into your new OneDrive account. That's it, you've created your account on mobile. Explore your files and folders and adjust settings whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching.